don't know the thing set, you know. We're outside, finally link up with the fam. Come, look how my son is nice. Me and my son in the sun.
Jerry's laughing in the back.
Ajay.
Oh, son.
Oh, I just got it.
Nice board.
New Jerry.
Watch out now. Night before the arrival of our grandkids. And when me come to Jamaica, she strip down your house and clean. So, see, she there clean down the whole place. Basket, beard, fresh new clothes. There's something to the camera now, baby.
Yeah, because you never tell me when you come, so we should go prepare for you.
A foreigner alone, you care about. Okay. Bed stripped down, naked. Window open up for fresh air coming in. They get any treatment there in a Jamaica. Yeah. Fresh clothes wash. Wash out things sitting there. Clothes in a washing machine clean. What else you do around here? Don't mind the mess. Spooky. Right, Tim. I'm telling you what man just catch up all this one there, Steven. Man blending in the couch. That's I know, show you what I should do in there. Wash out the whole and pot them. Scour down stove. You spooky? When I get that treatment, eh? Backside, you on that? Eh? Watch out now. Let know when you're more cupboard. Eh? Top to bottom. Watch it. Eh? When I get that treatment, eh? Foreigner, mommy, I prepare for. Say it, go. Yeah, no foreigner, man, so say it, go. Where is the camera? Tell me I come here. Get new basket. Oh, see there?
You have to talk when you come.
Nobody can know when I come, man. I just slide in and slide out, you know, let it go.
Again, you need to come to up in here.
Yeah, clean up in place now, you know. Yo, this is the night. The night before the arrival. So that's the thing, I've been in Jamaica for over 2 months now, to the point where me get super tan. You know, I say 2 months now, I haven't seen the big woman and the little boys. You know what I say? Miss them, man, I swear. 2 months now. I see my family in my G. Yeah. So, this is the night before, probably them over there, I do for them thing. Me the out there, so I do my thing. You see me, I had to come before them to get certain things in place. And I think I already spoke about that in the previous video. So if you haven't seen that video, why I left my family to come to Jamaica, that's why. Check out the previous video. You see me? But yeah, man, we're there night before. Almost 10 p.m. Yeah, it's almost 10 p.m. right now. And we're just there and going easy. Get certain things in place ready for them. This is gonna be Ajari's first time in Jamaica and Jamir's third time in Jamaica. He hasn't seen his grandmother and uncle them since he was 1 year old. So he's 7 now, so it's almost 6 years now Jamir to come to Jamaica. And this is going to be my first time with my kids in Jamaica, because Jamir always travel to Jamaica, but I've never been here with him at the same time. So it's a good look, you see? Yeah. Huh? Yeah, I think my little nephew, they're on the verge, you know? That's from VK. You know the thing, go? I have to just guide them and show them the way, you see me? Alright, see what we go on now. I go log out, I go spread the bed there. You know what the fuck? Let me deal with it on camera. Oh God. Where you get this Manchester from? Eh? Some Manchester heavy. mattress fully heavy, man.
Yeah.
Huh?
You buy for full mattress, master.
So mattress are coming like say.
Give me one heavier than it.
Hmm?
Yeah.
Come here, young one.
Yeah.
No, no, for one outside. Put it over there. Come here, Spooky.
Fix this up.
Go chop a fly and a visa and walk. Come on, son. Go for this for hold yourself first, Spooky, please. Just hold yourself so you don't sleep off. Yeah, man, go on, let's go. Wait now.
Fix it back. See, easy fit.
How old are you, man? It's time running, girl.
Third one. Ty. Hey, you
I think one. It's okay.
No, man. You will need two somebody. Need two somebody.
It's okay, man. Just hold on phone aside. Hold it down. Let it.
Yes.
Yet. Awesome. See there? And any woman can meet my mother, né? I know anybody can get access to my mother, because my woman is a special woman. Because mommy and I say place smell nice and fresh. My wife done wall. As well, sister, I never tell her to my dad go come at that side. She never prepare for me still. But yeah, wife done wall. What time of the night now, mommy?
No,
Huh?
really want me out there just a wait for me to.
That's nice.
Walk this in no spot na me run.
What's that? My mother not easy now.
Not easier to me tomorrow. She wipe.
Then easier to check. Me still live out of my suitcase and just one drawer I take for myself, you know. And I this with my gym clothes. I still live out of my suitcase, just I need organizing. Mommy take off the cushion then. Yeah. So what gonna happen now? We need to where so we are gonna buy one chest drawer, one dresser. So I'm gonna buy a chest drawer, because we have a dresser inside them. How long do you have that dresser here for?
No.
20 a year?
About 30 years.
30 years. Look at this dresser. Mommy have this for 30 years. From a little boy. You know what I say? But the thing is, she revamp it every so often, like get it respray. You know respray? Huh? One more time for you have this respray? Box. Good day. 30 years. Mommy have been dresser for. So we take care of the thing, man. Remember, we have this dresser for this is the oldest piece of furniture in the house, not true? She give her the rest of the older furniture then. And then next episode, we'll get a nice bedded for that one, alright? Yeah, man, mommy, fix up in place, and I think easy. Must sweep and clean out every crevice. Yeah, man, and any somebody can meet my mother, you know? Yeah, man, if you know me, if I make you meet my mother, man, just consider yourself special, because mommy take care of people to the fullest, you see it? Yeah, so that's why I can't let too much people near her, because she kind-hearted, they will take her for granted. You know the thing work already. Alright, my mother, when you should go to sleep, see there, she have her thing there and she do her cleaning. See, me come to Jamaica, come take mommy table, turn in a, my work station, you see it? Alright, I got in bed now. Mommy, I lie salt on her couch. I know I got it. Good night, my mother.
Good night. I'm just about to shop this up.
Yeah, man, go and get some sleep,
Because
man.
I'm on now, when you get up, just have to put them, the rest, wipe out the house, put some more clothes to wash, pin out them here. No, me, I'll put them here, put them here, pin out. Wipe off the step, sweep off the step and wipe off the
Jesus. Why? You're not going to sleep till you done half of the sitting, eh? I forgot to give my man and got town for them, so good night. Just woke up, brush my teeth, wash my face, you know. I'm about to head to the gym, and then after I head to the gym, Then I come back, get ready to go pick up Alice and the boys. You know what I say? So, yeah. Bring them along, show them the gym session, right? Get ready. Oh, before we start the gym, let's do this. I need to set on some tea and stuff. Whoa. The sun is so nice and bright, some nice fresh air. You know what though? This is not the original sheet for it. The sheets are being washed right now. Just put my blanket over it just now. Just wait. Bed come like a hotel. So I have here some lime tea with honey. Just a little bit. And slice of cinnamon raisin bread, half banana, and some extra cinnamon powder. That will give me a kick for the gym. And of course, 2 bottles of water for the gym. Yeah man, I eat man. I'm still clean from last night, eh? Right now, see, plane just take off, so they're on their way. See you back in a bit when the journey to Kingston. So now we are going to the airport, left the car, because we're going to take a big bus. We are going to the airport, get a ride from a van. That's right. Yes, so we are going all the way to Kingston. Supposed to meet with a bus driver by 12 o'clock. Couldn't drive today because Alice have a lot of suitcase and then can't fit in the car. So we had to charter a big bus, and so I'm just gonna meet them halfway right now. Let me just get a quick ride from a van, you see me, or a truck. Yeah, so we catch you up back whenever time we get there. Free ride, not paying a fare for this now. Just reach. I'm about to take a next taxi to go Spal inside so that I can catch the bus. They said 12 o'clock and it's almost 4 minutes to 12 right now. Hopefully I catch the bus, you know what I say? So I'll go on. Alright, I'm so log back in, you know, because I do the right thing. Just in that taxi. Try to see if I can catch this bus, you know, the thing go. Don't full up to them, man. I'm paying for them, yeah. She lady and the little girl. We just reach out a little bit now. Now wait for the bus. Because we're gonna get like a coaster bus like this. And it's going to bring us all the way to Kingston. Alyssa herself has about 9 luggages. She's traveling with her mom. Her mom has 4 kids with them. So overall, around 20 luggages, you see me? So I couldn't drive my car. Even if I wanted to, I don't have enough space to drive a car. So definitely we have to hire a coaster. So out of somewhere with. I'm gonna just meet a little girl. In a taxi a while ago. So she watched me. She had got grade 6 and them things, you see me? Was such a nice little girl. She said, excuse me, are you a YouTuber? I watch your food channel, I love it, you see me? So big her up. I don't remember her name exactly. I'm not good at name, but yeah, big her up, she and her mommy, you know what I'm saying? I said support me. So she what, 11-year-old? So the support her reach far and wide, even little kids as I follow the thing. So I have to be very mindful of the content I put out. You see it? So that is it, man. We're out here like all the time. We catch up back when the bus forward. See it? Matty. This was the actual bus I got to take. But I didn't to realize what I'm going. You know what I say? So we are going to jump out now and fly up real fast. You see it? Yeah, man. So we catch back up in a little while. You see me? Yeah. So yeah, right, boss man then. I tell you it's a massive, but okay. So Sunday you bake me, you know. Huh? So Sunday you bake me. I don't know. Oh, I know, man. Okay. Good afternoon. Yeah, so I go just. You're good, man. I just went out right now. Good afternoon. Yeah, man. You? Good. Alright, so we'll log back in a minute. We're going to jump out now, see? Then I know. Get my way I got Kingston now, so once I'm going to show you the journey and I'm going to show you Alyssa's journey as well. I'm excited to meet everybody and all these things. It's currently 12:25 and they land at 1 o'clock, so we basically leave just in but we'll check back in and show you the journey, see? They're doing a chorus now. Alright, free truck man, much the right one.
Just in case you have not filled out what you are going to need 21. And now let's pick up the other dollars game license. You're feeling lucky. The winning numbers are coming your way.
Tá bom, isso mesmo. Ah, isso. Tá bom, isso aqui na ideia. Alright, just a up off our bus. I don't know if they reach it. Yeah. I think we see them as yet, you know, they don't reach it. But well hot. Lucky things are marrying I'm aware, you know. Them not land yet at all. Them not land yet. Best thing me wait for the weather. Alright, we look around and see what going on. They don't come out yet. So we're outside. Like a bus of jelly coconut, you know. Like a whole of cold jelly. Yeah, them not come through yet. Well, if people are flying nowadays, you know. Yeah, they're not coming yet. Stop this for now. We'll look at jelly coconut. It's now 3:30. Flight was here since 1:05. And they're still not outside yet, you see me? Yeah, lots of bags, around 20 bags amongst the 8 of them that is roughly. Everybody get 8, 9, 12. Around 24 bags they're traveling or more amongst the 8 of them, so just want to wait and see what I go on. Tired, hungry. As you saw, woke up early, so it's been a long day. Excited to see my wife and kids. Excited to see Jamaica fall because we don't know my friend that to see. It's as if it's a joy, of course, but through Jamaican talk and want to tell me a bag of things and tell you boys night. It's a good look. So yeah, excited to welcome a joy to Jamaica for the first time. And excited to be here with them for the first time in history. I've never been in Jamaica with my kids before, so it's a very special moment to see. Yeah, can't wait to see my boy, them man. Yeah, man. I'm sorry that hungry, tired. I feel like when a child was being born, closer the time is to see them, is the more nervous I become. Anybody ever feel like that? I've been here 2 months. I'm never miss them, you know. Like that, like not that. If I miss them, it wasn't a lot. But yesterday, I start feel like time away. This morning, and then now, it's like I feel like I'm gonna come through the door anytime soon because my belly stopped moving. Same feeling I had in that child was being born. Yeah. Catch back up, like back here. I'm nervous we can't eat, you know. And I haven't eaten anything today. Take one bite out of a sandwich and that was it. Just water. So I go on. Flight them come out and now can fit them baggage, you know. Okay, fit them bags, you know. Yeah. Yeah, man. Yeah. Manners. Clean. A smart bag. Jaja, God. Honor. Go back, man. Go leap a bag all this side, man. God. All this side, what are they? Come on, boss. Jesus. Come on, son. Come, boy. Achip. Big boss. Jesus. Wagwan. You alright?
Yeah, I'm alright.
Come, boss, big. Give me the bag of my car here.
Okay.
Big old heavy bag, boy.
I'm gonna hold it that all day.
Back out here, Nacho. Hey, put on this. Put on this. Jesus, my son big man. That's it. Jesus. You look nice, you look nice, you look nice. I would just say, you just yourself.
I was in the. I woke up so early. I'm so tired.
No, man, I got sleep.
I woke up at 1.
Come, put
I
on
woke
your
up at 1. But I'm energized now.
Oh, backside. How would this? Jesus Christ. Come, boy. Give me. What is this? Give me this one. Come. Hey, how would that? GFP? Good afternoon, Mr. Ryan. How are you? Tired?
It was a rough flight. A family reunion.
Nice answer me.
Nice.
Come here, boy.
Oh, I stopped recording, I think.
Start recording. Come on, nice.
Hi, Teresa. Oh, hi, Mario. It was rough, man. Everybody's reunion. Yeah. You guys come, get out the way. Oh, yeah? Everybody's reunion. Is this O'Shea? Hi, O'Shea. You have to pay them? Pay them? You gotta pay them, right? Yeah, we're gonna pay them. Yeah, just give them 20. I don't have anything, I give 10. What did he do this? Oh, there's massive. Why does he look like that? Hi, massive.
99 euros.
Yeah, I know. How you doing?
99
You know, it's 5 years. 5 years. How did you get so tall? Nice to see you, Kyle. Oh, it's prisoner. Hold on. Huh? Oh. Hi, prisoner. I don't know if you remember me. You remember me? Lisa? Hi, how are you? Let me show you my friend. Where's my son? You're here, Lisa. Oh, okay. Let me show you a master. Oh, you okay with that? There you go. Thank you. Taking pictures, of course. Here, let me hold so I can go with them.
I'm holding on this. Hold it, try. I'm going to take a try on it. Hold it. Take it out, too. Man, feed the little man. You don't feed it?
No.
Come here, go feed it, come. See what I mean? Boy, come here, Lily. Hey, feed little, so. Hey, boy. Your grandfather meeting, eh?
No, I didn't get to. No.
Oh. I'm there a record and I help you. Good afternoon. So this here.
This is Jameer, my son.
I bought
Your great-grandfather.
everything not going there. Yeah, come.
And then this is a Jari. Yeah.
A jar meeting grandfather. I'm that telling our boss and Alice's husband. When you never did something. No. With the lick, not you? Yeah. So Alice, let me take a picture of her. Go close, Alice, go close. Nice. Yeah, your great grandboy then? No man, I didn't lick no man. I made the funny bus a while ago.
Yeah. Last time you seen your great grandfather was when you were 2 years old. 2, yeah. It's a long time. 5 years ago.
I'm 7.
Yeah,
I'm 7
yeah.
years old. I'm 7.
Yeah, that's ours.
I'm 7. Jari's 9 months.
This is mine. How are you feeling so far? Take off your mask, you're outside. You don't need to have it on.
Okay.
Huh?
Where have you been in Jamaica, my guy?
It's so hot.
Finally back with my family. Finally a family again.
You don't know the thing set, you know. We're outside, finally link up with the fam. Come, papa, my son is nice. Me and my son in the sun.
Jerry's laughing in the back.
Ajay.
Son.
Oh, I just got it.
Nice boy.
New with Jerry.
Come on, what's on our head, man?
I had to keep it on, but I forgot about it, to be honest. Now it's just... Okay, now those ones. Help him. Okay, so come right here, come right here.
We're outside. Welcome to Jamaica, my son. You drink your car.
So you guys, we made it. Finally made it. And let me tell you, the journey was not easy, but we're here. I'm excited. I'm relieved. It just feels unreal. It feels unreal to be here right now. Like I just left the airport. We just left the airport, and it just feels like I'm on cloud 9. Like I don't know. It just is amazing. It's amazing feeling. Like words can explain it. It's just you gotta be here to see it. And, like be here to, if you know, you know. Like I don't know. It's just beautiful. Like the island is beautiful. Scenery, people, the climate. It's just nice, and I'm so happy to be here, and I'm looking forward to spending the next few weeks here. I don't know. I'm excited for guys. So yeah. I'm just speechless. You know what? I'm gonna stop talking because you guys probably can't hear me.
Jamie, first time eating Guinea. How it is? How it is? Don't make it go down the throat. Careful. Jamaican boy.
So yeah, we're out here. We're gonna go to Clarendon Park. It's Clarendon Park. We're going there, gonna get some patties. Don't mind my dry. We're going to Clarendon Park to get some patties. Don't mind my dry lip because I'm very hungry. So it's been a long time since I had a juicy patty. I've had like frozen ones, but you know I want fresh made from Clarendon Park. You know the warehouse is right beside it, so it's nice and fresh.
Yeah.
So Jam's gonna have it for like not the first time, but the first time with knowledge, you know, since when the kid he had it. So and Ajari's gonna get a nice taste. So that's exciting.
Why is she clapping? She's so sweet. Yay! Juicy Funky.
What's if I don't get so they buy the Guinea them? At the gas station. Oh.
For me, and then you guys have to split the two. We're getting juicy Funky.
Yes, sir. Hey, careful. Oh, the mango them set. And they fall sir. You want mango?
Hold her hand for a second, Adrian.
Where you bring them from?
Because they're not gonna stay.
You have to go hold it and then...
Yeah, I'm used to that. Oh.
One bag?
Oh, somebody from my school.
Hold it up part, up right top, yeah. Leg down is man, hold it up. No man, leg down is and hold up as top, yeah.
Oh, I see you go on. This is which one you want. Right one, yeah. Manners, yeah? Here. Wait for me, go on. Don't run. Respect. Come.
Let's go.
It's Jamie's first
That
time.
was so... I don't know if tell somebody from my school,
Oh,
or if you just tell somebody.
pull up a juice, then back there.
Because,
So come, let me come out back.
because somebody,
Yeah, man, I see them.
it was
Respect.
like somebody who looked like somebody in my school.
Oh, go on, go on, go on.
He looked like somebody in my school.
No, go on, man, go on. Take your sanitizer. Respect. So what you want, feet? Come on, faster. Where's the recording of you? What? Look at that, go there. Jamie, first time. Ever get some patty? Yeah, get some patty. Now Juicy and JP, they start jump up and down like a how that, my youth? How can I dance that? Tie your shoes, yes. Tie your shoes.
I know that dance.
Kind of broke up dance here, the youth. What's the dance? Alright, good, nice. Come now. Get you some patty, you know you love patty, though.
Just like the normal patty.
Huh?
Just like the normal patty.
Come here, hey, watch me here, them, you know? Watch them. Candy, they put candy in there.
But it's not normal.
But there's none right now.
White. It looks white.
Come here. Yo, you want patty with them stuff like lettuce and tomato?
No, I just want normal.
With cheese.
I just want normal patty. That's what
Alright.
I always get.
Alright, I get that shit. Come on here, come. Hold this. So when they call the number the 592.
That's how we get our patty?
Yeah, come.
It's just like in McDonald's.
Come. That's the name of it. Big Chew. Fruit punch. Like fruit punch.
Oh, 1990 was made in 1990.
1990, yeah. Good.
Quality. Why is that quality? Quality.
Yeah, quality. They can't lift it. No quality mean?
Like how it looks.
No, quality mean it's good.
Quality.
Here. Hold this. That's a feel.
Ooh, I got
Can I
it.
get some napkins, please? And two shot. Thank you.
Wow.
Come.
That's the most fishes I ever seen in my life.
Watch your step, come. Don't walk out in the road, you know. Oh, you say wallet them go? No, I want it too big. And not thin. How much is that?
It's a $2 for them though.
Yeah, hold on. Give. Hold on, Jamie. Balance, yeah? Guidance. Watch where I go. Holy papa. Oh, shit.
Is that your patty? Oh, is it a touch the ground?
That's the here, then give me another. Come on, the bag is good. I hold them good. Clear the soup bun, man. Hold on. Soup hot, yo. No, man, I don't want the bun anymore. Respect, see? Guidance. Holy patty good.
Close your don't know.
Soup bun up my hand. Jesus Christ.
You got a wallet? Did you hear his first wallet?
No, for me. I'm gonna do right.
I was like, what?
Oh, God damn. Hold on. I'm soup, No, it's soup hot. You burn up my hand.
Oh my gosh. Lisa, hold it.
Hold on, Alisa.
Can you?
Yeah, eat. Oh, the patty at taste.
I want to sit there so I can watch that show.
Sit down, you can't move.
I didn't still feel.
No, I'm surprised already.
Huh?
You get chicken and chips.
Thank you.
A breast, thank you? Double
I
check. We tell them to get a breast.
Yeah.
The lily do. Oh.
Hi there, Spooky.
Hi.
We are meeting cousin for the first time again.
Come here, you're so big.
Yeah, darkness. Oh, sorry. Tall and slim and nice. See, watch your foot, Jamie. Watch your foot. Be a girl in here for that?
Okay.
Girl, sugar plum. Go there, so Alice. I was that.
Hi.
Oh, no, I thought it was 8-7. No? That's it? 8-7-15? That's it, right? Yeah. Yeah, you want to bring them up?
What you see in Jamaica?
I haven't seen
Your
Bella
uncle.
for a long time. I haven't seen you for.
You're too fun, you're 2-year-old when I see you. You're 2-year-old when I see you in a jam. Come. I have a cigarette man now. No? Look like a freedom babe. Grandbaby, how are we?
Hi, Grandma.
Hi, Jamir. See Ella here.
Hi, Ella.
See a Jerry, see a Jerry.
Take Ella.
Look at one, what's that big girl?
The way you see pass there.
Put in no one.
Who gets so big? Who gets so big?
Seven.
Yes, 7. Call up Grandma, lift you up. Take out the bag. Take out the bag.
Have you cup of Jerry?
I'm gonna sleep bad.
Yo,
Come here, Grandma.
a Jerry favor Ella.
Jerry.
Oh boy, see your brother there.
Oh my God.
See God boy, a Jerry.
Come.
First year snake face, you
Why you come in close, ma?
no, no. Probably hot.
Hi, Jack.
See your cousin them here, mama. You know, Jamie?
Hi, Ella.
You know, look shy. Your cousin them here, you know. Mommy, I'm going to see you suitcase.
Come, Ella. Come.
You so come, mama.
Come, Aja. Come. We'll do without for a day.
We did buy the fan, but me not get the pan money because the belly that which is such a good day.
Oh, okay.
I'm going to beg the man and he's saying book hold.
Oh my gosh, that's okay.
See baby here, Ella. See baby here.
Look, Jam Jam. I mean, Jam Jam, Jory. Look at your cousin.
You see Ajari? Yeah.
Look at the cousins. Baby. Oh, she probably wants you. She wants you. She doesn't want Jari. She's probably like, what? Oh. Jam. You're finally in Jamaica with Grandma.
Not you.
Constantly talking
You
about
was
it.
gone already?
Yeah. I'm just bringing everything up now.
I saw it. Eh? Yeah, all of them take you here, Alisa.
Pardon?
All of them take you here.
Oh.
Come here, Jam. Come, go, grandma, man.
I still have to cut because I was touching you.
Yeah, shrink the palm, yeah, come.
All the grandchildren. Well, not all of them.
You get your kiss up
Every day. Oh, why are you hating Grandma? That's not nice. That's not nice.
Give you over here, man. Give you over here.
This is nice. This apartment's nice.
You nice?
Yeah, and it feels it's so clean and it feels light. It feels good.
I saw me clean this is so ready. Every day. Hey, John, cause me with you.
Why? Oh, because you're
Mommy, you can't go sit down. Do not make anything the mosquito in here. Come down and bite at the baby then.
Ella.
Oh, you are thick.
Eh?
You are so thick.
Yes, you get handy now. They can't tap jealous.
She is big. I love it. Hi. Hi, Joey. Hi, you got cousin to play with.
A bit for like 10 months, my own.
No, that is when I
What do you say? What do you say?
Look at all the key, you're spacing.
He's smiling.
So, mommy has to go and grand picnic them now.
That's one you can pick.
Make him blow off, man. I have to blow off.
I'm gonna bathe.
One more we say, man. Unfortunately.
Again, Lily.
Here's a show.
Ella, see your cousin them, yeah?
You're recording.
Yeah.
jealous, you know what? You jealous? You're jealous?
You're not jealous, you just look. Take off your shoes now, people in the house. Oh, socks. What can you see? Socks.
No, please.
I just turned it off because Adrian's recording, so I don't want copyright. I didn't think about that, huh?
Tomorrow, do all of that. Nothing added to that, my friend.
Go here, you like to be that relax, man.
Nothing added to that, my friend.
Yeah. You guys need to get the fan here. I want to play shit.
Bro, I don't remember that.
Let's get it tomorrow.
Look at this. All of these baggage you were traveling with.
I was gonna
Gonna have to unlock or unpack. Look at this, man. A whole lot of luggage.
It makes me feel hotter with all these luggages.
What?
Once
Whose
you unpack
room
it,
is
better.
this?
Me and Spooky.
It's my room now.
Oh, it's grandma. Is that grandma?
No. Your grandfather, you can't see him good. Who this? Ajaria.
That's me.
That is not you, that's
That
Ajaria.
isn't me. It's me. I know
I need
that.
to be the jar like
And this is Ajaria right there.
No, that's me. That's
Ajaria again.
That's no. Jar's not that.
And this is you.
That's me.
That's you.
Hey. I wanna be him and
That's me. That's me.
I wanna be this.
That's not
Like
me.
I feel really gross.
Somebody jam your shirt.
I don't want to go to sleep, so.
Yeah.
Yeah. When I'm mommy bought chunk, I bigger.
Okay, I need help.
Do you know?
As in-
Mommy help you.
I need to take out these clothes and stuff.
And
Clothes
clothes
and
in
things.
there.
There's some stuff. There's some extra clothes in here, so it should be fine.
I lock off this right now. Where charge? Oh, you not can't find charge. Tyron, let me charge it, please. Let me get a quick charge. That me the hype I say me don't want it, but I don't know what Alice do it for me. D. Yes, Jamie, you're at your place.
You want chocolate tea, you want mint tea.
Mint.
You wash your hand already?
Oh yeah. I'll wash my
In there, so come on, sir.
No, mint tea machine, that's what.
Come wash your hand. Oh, go on, wash your hand. You know the routine, so then come and say, hey, go on straight. Not because you come to Jamaica, you feel not go wash hand. Your backside, Missy, I'm a boss, You glad to see your cousin them, Ella? Place dark with the GoPro, you know, because I get late. But yeah, just reach in and I tell you what you packing for do, but we not touch none of that. My phone dead, man. I'm record go way at town. You know, get that because our phone not connect to nothing. So yeah, that is it for now. Stay tuned for the next one, you see me? Tomorrow, we got team, we're tired, so we're going to sign out right now. Big up, enough love. And remember, when you come here, what you see here, before you leave here, like, comment, subscribe, and share. Until next time, safe travel upon the gravel, and go and big up on yourself. Thank you, Father God, to reach in safely. Everybody is here, safe flight. You know the thing go. Family meet them people and all these things. Good to go.